Hi, I'm Samir from First Tech Logic, and today I'm going to do a review of JBL T210 In-ear headphones. If you are in search of in-ear headphones, then JBL T210 is one of the options available. Introducing JBL T210 in-ear headphones. They are lightweight, comfortable and compact. Under the metallic finished housing, a pair of 8.7mm drivers punch out some serious bass, reproducing the powerful JBL Pure Bass sound. In the box, it comes with a pair of T210 headphones, ear tips small, medium and large, a pouch for keeping those headphones while traveling or while storing, and warranty and warning cards. JBL, which is an American company that manufactures loudspeakers and associated electronics, claims that they have engineered the precise, impressive sound found in big venues around the world, and that these headphones reproduce the same JBL sound, punching out the bass that's both deep and powerful. It also has one button remote with microphone that helps control music playback with a convenient one button remote and also answer calls. Moreover, it has a tangle-free flat cable which is durable and won't tangle up in knots. Also, it has beautiful metallic finished housing which provides very professional design. In my experience, I personally liked this JBL T210 headphones. Given the budget, I like the bass it produces and the noise cancellation done by the ear tips. It provides 3 different sizes of ear tips out of box. Hence, it's very good for those who have big or small ear holes. I especially favor its tangle-free flat cable because that's what troubles me when I take my earphone out of my pocket or my bag and need to spend a minute untangling it. Also, the microphone button provides a sensation of being pressed, so you know you have pressed it. However, it would be more good if it had some volume plus and minus buttons. Overall, I like the headphone very much and would highly recommend if you are on a budget and need a good earphone. If you want to buy a pair of these JBL headphones, then the link is in the description below. If you like my review, please like and subscribe my channel, First Tech Logic.